Lots of wealthy people are leaving the country. Why? Well, I don't think it's just millionaires and billionaires either, by the way. People who have an online business, lots of them are leaving. And fundamentally, when I really like the phrase, go where you are treated best. It's from Nomad Capitalist. I think they do a good job. And if you've put yourself in a position in business or in life to have that choice of where you live, then good for you. Go for it, is my view. It's exactly what we did. The nuance to this though, and this is an important one, is the environment that you are in, your personal environment, your macro environment for your business, for your family, is everything. And if your home country starts to create an environment that is not palatable to you, then move. Go through the proper channels and go and live somewhere else. I think it's a really not smart, unintelligent approach to suggest that you should just stay because this is where you are from. I don't get that. Your job, in my opinion, as a partner, as a father, is to create the best possible circumstances and environment for your family to thrive. That's the number one responsibility. And that's what's happening here. Your environment becomes less palatable to the point where you're in too much pain to carry on, or you just simply want change. Sorry, I've got something in my throat today. And there is nothing at all wrong with that, in my humble opinion. It took me and us a long time to get to that place where we could make that move. I wish I could have done that 10 years earlier. Find the courage and find the business model that worked for me, going fully online with my businesses. But ultimately, I think what's happened in the UK is a combination of factors. And without being overly political on this, it's really because rising taxes combined with no real perceived value in those taxes, increasingly attractive environments outside the UK, be it Spain, be it Italy, Portugal, UAE, and places even further afield, Bali, and so on. And the UK is always competing. It's about making your country attractive to your customers. And the customers are fundamentally the citizens. So if you don't do that, you start to lose those people. And look, you might think, good riddance. But I do think that's a bit short-sighted, because those people, many of them, are job creators, are wealth creators. People that will actually contribute to lots of other people being employed, paying taxes, and so on and so forth, as well as contributing to the system themselves, like I did for 25 years. So it's a complex one, but I think until the UK makes this environment attractive again, be that taxation, be it the actual living conditions in the UK, and most likely a combination of both, I think we will still continue to see large amounts of people moving abroad. And unfortunately, a growing resentment and bitterness to the system, if you like, and conditions here, which makes me sad because it is my home country and lots of my friends live here, and I can kind of feel that in them. Maybe you're the same if you're watching this from the UK. Maybe you're different, and please do share your thoughts. A lot to this one, guys, and I appreciate your attention and time. Hit subscribe if you like this. Hit the bell so you don't miss another video, and the thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.